Hello guys and welcome to Robot Squad. So, in the previous video we had discussed on how to install Amazon App Store on Windows 11. With the Amazon App Store, there was another thing known as the Windows Subsystem for Android, which had also gotten installed. So, today we are going to sideload the Android apps using the Windows Subsystem for Android. So, let's get started. First, we are going to download ADB. So right now, as we can see, I have searched for download ADB, and over here the first link, ADB installer, we are going to click on that, and then we are going to click on download. But I have already downloaded the ADB, and I have also set it up in the correct folder where I am going to use it. Meanwhile, let's set up a Windows Subsystem for Android. So as we can see, Windows Subsystem for Android has opened up. So now we have made sure that developer mode is on, and we are going to click on copy for the IP address. Now we are going to move to the folder where we have installed ADB. So right now I'm going to click on /ADB connect. Now let's install Instagram on this. As we can see, Instagram has installed. So I guess when we search for Instagram, this is the Android version of Instagram. So as we can see, the Instagram app has opened. This is the Android app for Instagram, running perfectly fine on Windows 11. This is sideloaded, and Instagram is not available in Amazon App Store. Like Instagram, we can now sideload many other apps on Windows 11. Meanwhile, thank you for watching this video and hope this helped you. I'll see you in the next video.